The recent developments are indicative of the fact the cases against us were rushed and railroaded, and that due process of law was not observed, especially during the preliminary investigation by the Ombudsman. Because of its overzealousness to be glorified as heroes by putting us behind bars, the Ombudsman haphazardly filed an information before the Sandigan Bayan. Gusto kasi nilang magpasikat at ipakita sa taong bayan na kaya nilang magpakulong ng 3 senador. Kaya naman naghahain agad sila ng information kahit na alam nilang wala naman talagang kaso at walang matibay na ebidensya laban sa akin. This also further bolsters what I have been saying all along, that this is politically motivated with no other intent but to persecute the members of the opposition while protecting their allies. Ngayon, lumalabas na kulang palang pormasyon kanilang inihain sa korte at inaamin nila na nagkamali sila, na depektibo at mahina ang kaso, kaya gusto nilang baguhin ang mga akusasyon nila laban sa akin. If there are truckloads of evidence against us and that the case is airtight as they initially say, why is there a need to amend the information? Kung talagang malakas ang kaso at maraming ebidensya, dapat kahit nakapikit bang 2 mata nila ay kaya nilang isulat ng malinaw at walang pagkakamali ang mga paratang laban sa akin. I am very hopeful that the granting of bail will not be far behind, as the evidence against me is really very, very weak. Thank you.
Sir, how do you intend to win this battle, sir?
Well, of course, through legal means. Kita-kita naman from the very start, from day one, the prosecution has already blundered in their case against us.
Sir, na-acquit na kayo
They already committed a blunder.
You've been acquitted before of blunder, sir.
Yes, I've been acquitted before of blunder and I hope to be acquitted again.
How's your family, sir? How's your family?
They're okay.
Sir, pwede namin yung sulat, sir?